Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lost. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love.
So tonight, Nick is cooking a dried Chinese cabbage soup. And this is how it looks like. You get it at EW. And he's gonna soak it into some water.
3 hours later.
Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all this supposed
This
to?
soup takes 2 to 4 hours to cook, so he's gonna start on the soup first.
Just little bit salt,
Salt,
vegetable,
chicken bouillon.
add little flavor.
Even fall asleep and
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. New to me.
So Daddy has the soup. Is it ready? Ooh, look at that. Smells so good in the house.
So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, give me a time and it's something just like this in the time. Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. Stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you.
So you guys, it is now 6 p.m. and I am now just making my bed.
We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough. Stairway down for the both of us. We all leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink. When everyone is too fake, your hope eventually sinks. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it.
What's for sugar? Just call little bit chicken powder. Just little bit salt. Just one coffee.
Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time. Feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run.
taking a walk around the neighborhood with the boys. So the type of tofu that I always get is the Simple Truth Organic Tofu from Kroger. They are $1.79 and I always get coupons like 40 cents off, and you download it in the app. It's a good deal, and I love using this type of tofu, and I like frying my own tofu because whenever I buy them pre-fried, I always get unlucky and I always get bad ones for some reason, so I always buy it like this and I fry them myself. Okay, so for tomorrow I'm making stuffed tofu in tomato sauce. So I have here my tomatoes. These are my tofu. So I like cutting them like little small triangles like this, and then I fry them, and then I cut the middle part like a little slit right there down the middle, and then I stuff them. This is the stuffing that I'm using. This is, normally they use pork, but here I'm using chicken, grounded chicken and shrimp, and then I have shallots and garlic, scallions to top the tofu, and then I'm also making a soup. So this is just spinach, and I already washed them, and here's the shrimp. So the shrimp is with the soup. So I have everything prepared.
I don't want your persona, I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you, on you, on you, on you. You're leaving me out in the rain when I try to reach you. I know it's hard to break, but I'm gonna teach you.